Level 1, A. Today, we're going to learn about a concept, adding whole numbers whose sum is less than 10. First, I have some questions for you. What are whole numbers? What are the parts of an addition sentence? Whole numbers include 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. The parts of an addition sentence. For example, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 are the add-ins, while 7 is the sum. Let's learn about the concept. Adding whole numbers whose sum is less than 10. What are the numbers that are less than 10? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the possible answers for this concept. Let's have some examples. 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 and 2 are whole numbers. Let's say we have 2 horses and another 2 horses. How many horses do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 horses. So the answer is 4. 4 is a sum that is less than 10. 1 plus 8 is equal to 1 and 8 are whole numbers. Let's say we have 1 house and another 8 houses. How many houses do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have 9 houses. So the answer is 9. 9 is a sum that is less than 10. 0 plus 6 is equal to 0 and 6 are whole numbers. Let's say we have nothing at first and then 6 cakes. How many cakes do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 cakes. So the answer is 6. 6 is a sum that is less than 10. How about the next example? 6 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 5 are whole numbers. Let's add. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Look at the answer. Is 11 a number that is less than 10? No! Very good! Because 11 is a sum that is greater than 10. It's time for you to do your math task. Good luck!